Growing children need a nutritious breakfast. However, it is extremely difficult to make them have their breakfast because children prefer taste over health. Mothers don't need to be worried anymore. Here is a yummy and healthy option for you from Ahar Choco Flakes. Ahar Choco Flakes is made from specially selected ingredients blended with care to provide an energy-filled and tasty breakfast with proper nutrition. Besides, wheat flour, sugar, cocoa powder and salt are added to preserve freshness and vitality. Ahar Choco Flakes are packed in airtight moisture-proof polybags and then into cartons to help retain its freshness. Now, preparing a lip-smacking and wholesome breakfast is so easy. So, start your day the Ahar way. Ahar Choco Flakes, जो खाने से करे प्यार, वो यूज करते हैं Ahar.